Ku.
Very good.
Fish.
Honey, read this one.
Fish.
Read this one.
Bee.
Very good. Honey.
Spottage. Bell.
Bill.
Bill.
About this one.
Big. Big.
Big. How about this one? Fee.
Nabisan musukol.
Far.
Honey.
Dog. Dog.
And.
Radyo.
Honey. Unsa? What's this? Honey Choy, what is this? You read this, be?
Papa.
What is? You read this.
Bal. Balloon.
Very good. This, what is this?
Hot.
This one. This one, Choy. Did. Did this, Choy.
Jared.
This.
Bell.
She built. Bat.
Net. Wala.
Betet. How about this? How about this?
Max.
Max. Tiwasa. Hey.
Max.
About this, Choy. Read this, please. Choy. Choy, read this first. Again.
Kamuti.
Choy. Read this, Choy. Kanebe, read this.
Red.
Be, honey. Oh, read that one, be. Read, aloud.
January 20 pa ang dalawa matapos ang Christmas
Sa-
vacation sa Caribbean kasama ang pamilya ng aktor. Pero bago matapos ang Enero, inamin ni Luis medyo nagdadaanan sila ni Angel. Kilala ng marami na nag-break
Kulay
ang dalawa
N.
matapos
Sarong-tarong nga sa
ng power duo
Sat.
Pilipinas Got Talent, kung saan pinunasan ni Luis ang
Kulay
buwan ng aktor.
N.
Satu.
I love you. Pero sinuportahan pa
Sige
rin
na.
niya
Kulay
sa
N.
pelikula niyang Everything
N.
Angel sa Instagram noong Pebrero.
Sa.
Hashtag na mabuhay
Kulay
ang
N.
herself,
Sa.
Justin Bieber.
Saturn.
Ilang di maiwasang masasaktan pa rin ang taong kanyang minahal. Anong nagpapaka-classic
Mara?
babae may prosesong ginagawa? Smile lang.
Ma. Sige na.
Para naman kay Jessie, gusto
What's
sa
your name?
kasindahan. At ito lang
What's
ang
your name, Choy?
kay Angel.
Choy. Name?
Jerry Maximus P. Meron.
How old are you? You? 4? How old are you? How old are you? I'm 3 years old. Again. How old are you? 3 years old. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na.
Bye. Mom.